Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can generate enemy effect on CapCut. So open the CapCut apps and tap on your project, select your photo you want to edit. And then just going to tap on the clip, tap on the photo, select style. And you can find this enemy effect here. There are GB enemy, dreamy enemy, cat, measurement. So select this one you like. Okay. The cat, measurement. So just select this one you like and just going to export the project. Okay, that's how to generate enemy effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.